everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Very nice to see you all. And I'm really proud of you all for having achieved your set goals and securing a very good percentage in your grade 10 examinations. So, congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I hope that you will bring name and fame to Vidyasagar Public School, where you have studied and nurtured your dreams. It's very nice to have you back today before your college starts. So I thought on this occasion, let me interact with you and find out how you feel about different things. Okay. So Swara, how does it feel to be out of school and out of college?
Ma'am, first of all, I would tell that like one word, if I had to describe my experience of getting out of school and entering into college, it would be scary because everything in college is different. Everything you have studied in 10th, everything you'll be studying in 11th, everything is different. But at the same time, it's also amazing to be able to step into a new adventure, and it feels I'm really proud of myself and all my fellow mates here for all of our achievements and percentages, and it feels really happy to get into college and exit out of school that has given me everything, including all my achievements.
Oh, that's great to hear. But let me assure you, you need not be scary because the love and warmth that you have got in school, I'm sure that you will get in college as well. Stay focused and make new friends, good friends that will help you to achieve your goals. Okay, now Sasruta, what is your mantra for achieving your goals?
I would
What do you
say my mantra for achieving goals would be to believe myself, and I would say school played a very huge part in it because our teachers always motivated us every single time. Like all our teachers, like our maths teacher, maths is a subject that is hard for all of us. But what's sir, like maths, physics, all of them, they told us that it will be easy. You can do it, believe in yourself. I would say my mantra is to believe in myself totally.
Very good. That is very much needed because until you believe in yourself, you cannot achieve your goals. And of course, you need motivating factors. Like you said, your teachers motivated you to tell that it is easy, not scaring you, but pushing you up and giving that courage and confidence to achieve your goals. That really matters a lot. Do you think challenges make a person stronger?
Yes, I believe in this because we all have really secured very good percentage, and this is because we have faced a lot of challenges. Till the month of November, December, writing our preparatory examinations, we have got very less marks, and with those marks, we have improved ourselves again. And these are the most important challenges which you have to undergo to make yourself perfect. So challenges, maybe a few or many challenges maybe come in your 10th journey, but then you have to face them. Do not get demotivated. You have to stay strong, face those challenges so that you can make yourself better.
Okay, that's wonderful. Yes, challenges have to be there because if we don't have challenges, we get to be at that place itself. We cannot move forward. When challenges are there, we become more strong. We develop new strategies as to how to overcome these challenges and to move forward. That is indeed really good. Now coming to you, Haripriya. Do you think today's generation takes a lot of stress?
Well, yes, ma'am. I think today's generation takes a lot of stress. Well, I would say that is because they're more into social media and they hear that the papers are tough. But I would rather recommend that they have to experience it on their own.
So did this happen to you as well? Were
Yes,
you more
ma'am.
into social media?
Yes, ma'am. I did take a lot of stress, but then with the help of my parents and my teachers, I overcome it and I was able to succeed.
Okay, any other distractions you feel that could be there other than social media platforms? Any one of you?
I think the biggest distraction would be ourselves, us demotivating us and self-sabotage.
And another thing is, you, as she said rightly, believe in yourself. And what I feel that you should never compare yourself to anyone. So when you start comparing with others, then you get stressed out. Oh, he or she is doing better. What will I do? Will I be able to match? So that idea should not come into anyone's mind for that matter. And always believe that yes, you are going to do really great. So that is very, very important.